In today's video, we're going to check out the top 5 best printers in 2019. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about these printers, you can check out the description below. If you'd like to win one of these products, make sure you watch the whole video, click the like button, and comment the hidden word found in this video. At number 5, it's the HP Envy 5055. If you've been a printer user, it's no surprise to you that the HP printers are involved in this list, as their quality and expertise in the printer industry are unmatched. They provide various printers for various budgets. Their best budget inkjet printer is the HP Envy 5055. This printer will provide the best quality prints while not burning a hole in your pocket. Every company makes this claim, but HP delivers every time. The Envy 5055 is a home-grade printer that's much smaller than business-grade models. It has a very slim and lightweight built for home printing, and the chassis is solidly built all around. The cover of the scanner doesn't open as easily, also the paper tray works pretty smoothly and doesn't wiggle as most budget printers do. Everything is smoothly designed as expected from HP. It's really a very professional and generic-looking printer, however it provides remarkable performance. It provides 1200 by 1200 for monochrome and 4800 by 1200 dpi for color. Maximum printing resolution, meaning that your pictures will look vivid and your text will be pretty sharp in all of your prints. It focuses on printing great picture quality instead of quickly printing texts, making it not ideal for busy offices as it can cause jams. In terms of picture quality, the HP Envy 5055 provides amazing quality. On top of that, it supports automatic duplexing, saving you time and money at the same time. For home use, this is a pretty speedy printer, capable of printing 10 pages per minute for black and white and 7 pages per minute for colored prints. But it's pretty slow when it comes to copying, though it does provide quality copies with lower resolution than standard printing. The printer works with standard A4 paper with a maximum sheet size of 8.5 by 11.7 inches and a minimum of 3 by 5 inches. This range is perfect for your pictures. With its ease of use, pretty good print quality, sleek design and its extremely affordable price, the HP Envy 5055 is the best inkjet printer in the market. At number 4, it's the Canon TS9120. The Canon TS9120 is the perfect printer if you want an affordable yet multi-purpose printer. It'll be pleasant to use in both pictures and texts. Moreover, with its user-friendly features and ease of use, such as being able to scan directly to and print from your Google Drive, the Canon TS9120 is in a great run to become your next printer. When you first look at the device, you'll notice the 5-inch color touchscreen on the front panel. It offers impressive standalone operation with it, and there are no physical buttons except the power button. It's worth mentioning that the touchscreen was very responsive, unlike others. At the bottom left of the front panel is an SD card slot that allows you to directly print from the memory card without connecting to any device. Throughout the tests, the Canon TS9120 was never slow and provided exceptional speed. While printing text, it proved to be the fastest in its class, averaging 11.2 pages per minute. It was significantly slower in color printing with only 4 pages per minute, but it's still above the average for its category. While printing high-resolution pictures, this printer was even more impressive, posting times of half its average. The duplexer was equally remarkable, posting faster than average times. When it comes to print quality, the Canon TS9120 offers results that are pretty close to professional use, meaning it'll be more than enough for amateur photographers, as it'll be cheaper to print at home with slightly better quality. Texts and documents were printed with bold black shades, and also the letterform edges were very sharp and clear. It yielded amazing results with attractive colours and tons of detail with smooth textures, and the duplexer didn't affect the text nor graphic quality. High-resolution photos came out with remarkable detail with vibrant colours that looked well saturated, making a solid choice for photographers on a budget. On top of all this, the cost per page is really low, as the ink is efficient and the cost for them is low too. All these features make this printer the best one for amateur and budget photographers. At number 3, it's the Brother HL L8360 CDW. The Brother HL L8360 CDW is a color laser printer, improving on its predecessor with remarkable expandability, twice the memory, a larger duty cycle, access to higher yield toner cartridges, lower running costs, better security, and tons of new features like the NFC and a color touchscreen. It prints very fast and with decent quality, providing great value for its category, and it's perfect for offices. It's a large and heavy printer, not as large and heavy as industrial grade printers, but you'll need to find a desk for it to operate on. Out of the box, it comes with a basic paper capacity of 300 sheets, but it is expandable to 1,050 sheets with its 3 250 sheet trays, or up to 1,300 sheets with 2 500 sheet trays, but of course these are extras. Furthermore, the Brother HL L8360 CDW has a duty cycle of 60,000 pages with up to 4,000 pages recommended. This is very important as it provides the maximum number of pages that can be printed, and this number is surpassing most of its competition. This printer can print 33 pages per minute for monochromatic and coloured pages as well, which makes it extremely fast for its class, way above its peers. Moreover, its print engine produces amazing print quality, above average in both text and graphics, but it was a little lacking when it came to photos. But then again, it was still pretty good, you just have to look very closely to find losses of detail and graininess here and there. When it comes to efficiency, the Brother HL L8360 CDW takes the cake, as it yields 6,500 pages for the black, cyan, magenta and yellow cartridges, which results in very low prices per page, decreasing your costs over time. You can save thousands if you need to print thousands of pages every month. The upfront cost of the printer will be paid off in a matter of months if you print a high number of pages, but if you have more moderate printing needs and are looking for value, you might want to look at another printer. At number 2, it's the HP Tango X. The HP Tango X is a compact wireless printer that's mainly designed for home use, and it looks big for itself, but we'll talk about that later. This home printer is mainly designed to operate via the HP Smart app that's available for both Android and iOS, giving you instant printing via your smartphone. On top of that feature, it can also scan and copy from photos taken from your smartphone. It's essentially the world's first smart printer. Some may say that this printer is designed to stand out, but in my opinion, it's made to blend in and fit. The printer comes with a linen cover that folds over the printer that gives the minimalist furniture look due to its size and overall shape. It also doesn't have an output tray to make it compact, but the cover does have the output tray function when the device is in function, so it's not solely for aesthetic purposes. However, a downside of this compact design is the lack of the traditional control panel, so you need a smartphone or a computer to work with the printer. Also, you need to have the HP Smart app installed on your device before you can set up the Tango X. HP has brought together their best minds when designing this printer, and the concept is a really clever one, putting most of the focus on cloud-based printing and sharing, meaning that you can print from wherever you are using the app. The HP Smart app provides lots of functions like the Print Facebook Photos, which is pretty convenient, or the Print Documents feature, which allows you to select PDF or online documents from Google Drive, Dropbox or the iCloud. Depending on your smartphone's camera quality, you can even scan and copy high-quality documents. It's rated at 11 pages per minute for monochrome pages and 8 pages per minute for coloured, meaning that this printer is not suited for individuals that want very fast printing, but it is adequate for your home office. On top of that, it has a fair 50-sheet input tray. To conclude, the HP Tango X is the best printer for your smart home. And at number 1, it's the HP OfficeJet 4650. The HP OfficeJet 4650 rightly so deserves the number 1 spot with its affordable entry-level price, its inkjet engine that's really versatile, office features such as built-in faxing, automatic document feeder for copying multi-page documents, and the duplexer. With its recommended print volume of 400 prints, the HP OfficeJet 4650 is best suited for small offices with moderate to low printing needs. When you first look at this printer, you'll notice that on top of it rests the automatic document feeder, where you can put documents that have multiple pages for copying, scanning or faxing. The HP OfficeJet 4650 has very simple controls, as it's controlled from its control panels that have just 2 dedicated buttons, the home button and the back button. Other than those, you're left with the touchscreen, which gets the job done. Despite being just 2.2 inches and monochromatic, the touchscreen was very responsive to commands and didn't feel cheap at any time. Speed-wise, the HP OfficeJet 4650 leads in its category for inkjet printers in monochromatic documents. It yielded 9.1 pages per minute on average, which was pretty decent. When the quiet mode was activated, the printer had slightly slower printing speeds at just 5 pages per minute, and it was even slower when I tested the duplexer, averaging just 3.3 pages per minute. When it comes to graphics, it has managed to print a 6-page document in 204 seconds, which is a little disappointing. But when printing glossy photos, the HP OfficeJet 4650 was capable of printing in better than average speeds. When it comes to print quality, the HP OfficeJet 4650 is king in its category of inkjet printers. The text looked very sharp and bold with laser printed quality edges. Graphics were also very good, with good saturation and textures on normal paper, and in glossy photos the results were amazing, providing amazing detail with vibrant colours. On top of all this, the printer with its high-yield cartridges has lower cost per page, and also the cartridges are very cheap to buy, making it convenient and economical to use. Overall, the HP OfficeJet 4650 is the best all-in-one printer that'll please you with its every feature in your small office. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.